guys, my name is Shavonte and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing these trains are so rude. So today I'm going to be doing a makeup look using the Jaclyn Hill palette, the Jaclyn Hill times Morphe palette. I don't know whether to say Jaclyn Hill times Morphe palette or Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palette, like how do you say that, but I'm going to be using that palette today, and I'm not quite sure what I'm doing yet, but I think I'm going to be using this, wow, you can't even see, this blue. Okay, let me put, oh, I thought I dug my nail in there, heart attack. This blue here, yeah, probably gonna be using that blue today. I'm feeling that blue. Yeah, I'll do something with that blue today. So yeah, I've already primed my lids, so I'm just gonna pack it in. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna go in with this shade first. I'm just going to lay a base shade first. Obviously my face is already done. So now that base is done, and I was using the E27 brush, I'm gonna go back in with my E22 brush, and I'm gonna use that blue shade, and I'm just gonna pack that shade on first. And I'm just going to use small circular motions to blend it out into that beige shade. And I'm just going to go back in with my E27 brush and use that to blend the blue out, just so I'm not using too much blue. And I'm just going to blow it out just a bit. Okay, now I'm going to go in with this M139 brush. And I'm going to go in with this shade here, which is like a dark teal colour. It looks like black, but it's not. And then I'm going to pack that right in this colour in this corner, the outer V. And I'm going to bring it into the crease just a little bit. I'm just going back in with the E22 to blend it out. And then I'm going to take this pencil brush, and it's the M321, and I'm going to basically use the same shades that I used down below. Just going to go in with this teal colour, sorry, turquoise. I'm going to pack it underneath my eye. I'm going to bring it to the outer V. Then I'm going to go back in with the dark teal and just put it on the outer V. And then literally just blend it in. And blow it out. I'm going to go in with this Vanity Planet brush, and it's a angled precision brush, and I'm going to use this LA Girl Pro Conceal yellow, what do you call it? It's called yellow corrector. And I'm going to use this to cut my crease. I was gonna do a different colour underneath there. I forgot. Oh well. I'll change it up. Oh, I don't want my cut crease up there. So I'm just going to fade out the cut crease into the blue, just pan it out. Make sure it's as smooth as possible. Obviously it doesn't look white, but it doesn't matter because I'm going to put a shimmer shade on top of it. I was going to do like a maroon shade underneath here, but I might just do maroon shade on top because I was going to do a maroon lip. I might do a copper shade on top, but I was going to do it all blue. Look how I just mess up my own looks. Like, how do I manage to do that? What the hell? So I need to get a packing brush. Where's all my brushes? And if you guys are looking for brushes to get, a good place to get it from is Morphe. Like, I just got like this Baby Fabes eye brushes set. This is 15 best-selling eye brushes. And it's so good, but it was £48, but I feel like it's so worth it, to be honest. I'm just going to use this Vanity Planet packing brush. It's a smudging brush, it's called, and I'm going to go in with, should I use glitter? I have red glitter. No, that's red. No, I really am. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Oh, I might go with this aphrodisiac palette. What would go with this look? I'm gonna go in with this shade here. And it is called Confidence from the Morphe 35M palette. And I'm just gonna pack it on top of the concealer. Okay, it's not really... Okay, I'm gonna spray it to make it more... Just gonna spray it with some setting spray. I actually haven't used this palette yet, like it's quite nice. I'm just gonna pack that teal shade on the outer bit of the thing. Wow, I'm just great at makeup tutorials, aren't I? Of my cut crease. There you go, there's the English. Just to blend it. Just doesn't look too cut off. And then again, I'm just going to go in with the teal shade and blend literally right on top of that copper shade. Just blend it out. It's all about the blend, guys. It's about the blend. Okay, and then next I am going to go in with some glitter. And the glitter I'm going to be using today is this blue glitter, and it's from Collection, and it's called Glam Crystals Dazzling Gel Liner, and it is really nice, and it's only cost like £3, so it's not expensive. I'm just going to literally go around the cut crease to define it. I mean, it was very defined, but I just want to add some glam. Look how pretty that is. I'm feeling this look, like, feeling it hella hard. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in with, I have too much stuff out, like, I get hella excited when I'm doing looks. This shade from the Jaclyn Hill palette is really nice for inner corner highlight, and I'm going to use that, and I just put that in the inner corner. Where's my mirror? Just going to plop that. I have fallout. Where's my brush? Where's my brush? There it is. I literally just tidied up and now I've just made a mess. Okay, I'm gonna plop that in on the corner. Or do I want to add some blue, or is that too much? gonna tint it blue a bit. Add some blue. Yeah. Well, it looks more purpley now. Oh well. That looks nice. Some inner corner highlight. And then I'm going to do my lashes and the other eye off camera, and I will be right back. Okay guys, so lashes are on, and the lashes I use today are from Dodo Lashes, and they are in the style D115. I think they're the same lashes I used last time, the last video I recorded. And the lippy I'm going to be using today is from MAC, and it is called Unformally Fabulous. And this is, sorry, Unformally, I always say Unformally Fabulous every time somebody asks me what lipstick I'm using. I always say Unformally. It's Uniformly Fabulous, and it is literally one of my favorite lippies to use, and it is a matte lip stick. Yeah, I'm just gonna put that on real quick. Anyway, so this is my makeup finished. I hope you guys like the finished look. Very pretty, very, well, I'm about to say very subtle. It's not subtle at all. Very blue. Yeah, dark lip, very blown out eye with a copper shimmery shade, and then glitter defined cut crease, well, half cut crease. Yeah. Yeah, not really what I planned. I didn't really plan anything, to be honest, but when I did figure out what I wanted, this wasn't it. But I like how it turned out in the end. If you guys like this look, let me know down below, and if you want to see anything specific from me, or if you've seen any of my previous looks on my Instagram or my Snapchat, and you guys want me to recreate it on here, then let me know. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, like and subscribe to my channel, and also press the bell if you want to receive notifications for when I upload. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.